Hey guys, Raymond here. Welcome to my DFY Hero review. So what is DFY Hero? DFY Hero is a done-for-you website builder and hosting platform. It isn't just, oh, let me create one page or a couple pages here. You can get a full-fledged or full-blown website within seconds. So when you first log into DFY Hero, you'll be on your dashboard. And we'll go to the left here and we'll create a new site. Let's see how fast this is, right? And then they have a bunch of ready to go templates for you. You can keep scrolling. It never ends. So we'll just pick one. Let's say something like this. You can view the template before you create the website, or you can jump right into it and create the website right away. So we'll select, and you'll have to name the website. So for this, let's say amazing website. And we'll leave the language on English. We'll add the site. And you can see here, my website, amazing website. So we'll go ahead and we'll visit that. And here we go. You have all the pages here. About, services, projects, contacts, right? You can edit the phone number, the address, etc. by just coming up here, edit page, right? And you can go in and put your own images. You can put in your own text, your own contact information, anything that you need. And that's about it. So let's take a look at squeeze pages or lead pages. I know a lot of people were interested in this one in an effort to generate leads and potentially generate sales. So let's just pick one. I guess we'll do this one, and we'll do select here. And this is just how fast this is. There's no fuss or anything like that. So let's type in amazing lead page. And we'll add the site. And it's so fast, so easy to use. And here we go. We'll visit that lead page, see how it looks, and here we go. See, it's already done for you. You have your logo. You can change the wording here if you would like, and you can put a video here if you would like, and there is the opt-in page. Okay, and of course you would come in and you'll put in your own opt-in code here. That way the leads that are captured here will get sent to your mailing list or your autoresponder. So you might be wondering to yourself, I mean, who cares about DFY Hero, right? Is it just another website builder? Well, let's take a look here. Somewhere like Fiverr.com. So Fiverr.com is a way for you to get really cheap services, especially when it comes to technology services. And I just typed in WordPress website design because Done For You Hero is WordPress based. So if you could see, starting at $100, some low like $55, $150, $295, and it goes up from there depending on which quote unquote package that you choose to go with. So in order for someone to work on your website for you, you're going to pay hundreds of dollars, right? And you have somewhere like Upwork as well, where you can get a website designer that's going to charge you an arm and a leg as well. So with Done For You Hero, you get to skip all of that. You get to skip all the back and forth. Oh, you didn't do this right, etc., etc., etc. You have your template ready for you. You know what you like. You say, oh, even if you don't want the photos or anything like that, I mean, you can change the like the font, the size, etc. But you can get the 95% of the work done for you. You just need to go in and fill in the information that is relevant for you. So let me give you an idea of how expensive WordPress themes can be and how limiting they can be. So I'm on themeforest.net here, And let's just say we're looking for a corporate type theme. Just click this. And as you can see, just for one theme, you get $60, $59, $59, $59, $39. Okay. So you can see how this can add up very, 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 very fast. Okay, and oftentimes they don't give you a reseller license with these themes, meaning that you can only install them on one website only. Okay, so you can't install it on multiple websites. All right, so you're very limited in a lot of cases. So if you think about it, that's, let's just say on average is $50 just for one theme. So you can see how the cost can add up very quickly when you talk about your hosting for your website, the theme that you're going to use, your domain name, okay, and also support services as far as technical issues go. So let's talk about website hosting. Let's take a website hosting platform like Bluehost, very popular, and let's look at the pricing. So for their basic plan, let's say $4 a month times 12 months. Let's say that's about $50 a year, but that's only for one website. So if you're someone that has clients, or if you're someone that needs multiple websites to run your business, this really isn't an option. And this is a sale or promotional price that they have going right now. Normally it's $8 just for the basic per month. So even if we take the sale price for the plus here, which is what most people go with, I assume, outside of the sale price, is $6 a month times 12 months. Okay. But you get unlimited websites. And we also have the Choice Plus as well. So imagine if this promo wasn't going currently, you'd get, realistically, you wouldn't use the basic. You'd probably use the Plus or Choice Plus. So $11 or $15 per month. So you do the calculation. Now you have your hosting, and then you have your theme costs. So we're in woods of about $150, $200, depending on exactly what you need. All right, but done for you Hero, we have all that ready to go. So here's the pricing for DFY Hero. If you can see on the front end, your basic costs will give you access to the website, and it's the 100 pre-made templates for you, and you're off to the races. You can also get an agency license, right? Which includes full-blown training on really how to make money with your website, and as well as the template club. So they will add 10 templates per month as long as you are with DFY Hero. And then here is the Rolls Royce of it. You get the reseller license, meaning that you can take Done For You Hero, and if you have clients, you can flat out just build websites for them with this license. Okay, so you can charge them to build their website for them, and you are allowed to do that with the reseller license. And if they're having any sort of issues as far as technical problems go, it's not going to be up to you to try to figure that out. The DFY Hero staff will take care of the support for you. So all the relevant information will be down in the description below. You have links to the offer itself. You have links to the one-time offers as well if you would like to upgrade, as well as a link to the website that we created here in the demonstration video. Done For You Hero is set to launch July 1st at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I know that there's a lot of hype behind this product. There's a lot of push behind this one. A lot of people are excited. So don't miss out on your opportunity here, because there are a lot of people that are going to be taking the plunge. So take the plunge with them. Feel free to leave a comment down in the comment section below if you have any questions or concerns. And again, I'd like to thank you guys for watching my video, and cheers to your success.